basically, to do these problems, the rules are right here. For addition, we have the same sign. We have one for different signs. And subtraction, we want to change to addition and then follow those rules. Multiplication, division, we have our rules here. So let's apply those rules as we do these problems. One negative, one positive, and it's addition, so different signs we subtract, and 13 is a larger number, so it's positive. We have different, once again we subtract, so we get 8, but 19 is larger, so it's negative. If we have a subtraction sign, I'm going to change, and now I have an addition with two negatives, so I'm going to add, and my answer is automatically negative. Once again, subtraction, I'm going to change to addition, and I have one positive, one negative, and when I subtract, I get, let me see here, 32, and negative 82 is larger. Once again, subtraction, I change. Now I have two negatives, and I'm doing addition, and so I add, and the answer is negative. Here I subtract because I have one negative, one positive, so I get 22, and 102 is positive. So our rules for multiplication addition is if you have two positives, you get a positive answer. In this case, this is 90. Both are positive. In this case, they're both positive, so we divide. We get our answer. We have a negative and a positive, so we're going to get a negative answer, and so we multiply it, and we get negative 180. And then we have both positive, so this is a positive answer. We have a negative answer for this one, and this is going to be a negative answer for this one.